You can't have more than one Q ability or more than one W ability, can you?
Bacon. That bacon.
Okay.
Choose your pig. Choose your pig.
Tank Pig. Necropig.
Tank.
Magician. He gets extra
Tank.
perk points. Less health and minus gold at death? Oh no. Frostbolt though. Combo Mania.
Magician.
Minus 5% physical damage. Maybe the Tank Pig is the
Magician.
best one. He's got a lot of benefits. I'll try the Necro Pig.
Choose one spell. Choose one spell.
So, next attack on Pig within 6 seconds will heal instead of deal damage. See, that's okay. Keep within 500 distance of Grave for 3 seconds to decrease Revive by 25%. So just stay near a grave, basically. Cast on enemy, decrease target enemy's attack rate. Alright. So you can sort of keep people under control a little bit. Definitely want to get the little jump. The pulled pork is probably quite good. Although, you know, life-saving buffs is pretty OP as well, right? Let's try the life-saving buffs.
Starving wife. Starving wife. Starving kid. Starving kid. There's only one way out of this. There's only one way out of this.
Just a tip, pressing ESC doesn't get you out of that cutscene. It only removes the portrait at the bottom left.
They're escaping. After them.
See you later, boys. I just gave frost armor to multiple pigs. That's pretty good. Have a heal. 45-second cooldown on Pigromancy. Oh no! What's he doing? Are you got him or has he got you? Is he biting onto you? I think he got him. I think he got overclocked. I don't think I can buff myself though. Oh my goodness, that kid. He's chasing right after me. He's chucking rocks at me. Oh, this is bad. Cannot get this kid off of me. 5 seconds. Oh, he's fallen asleep. That's okay. I didn't get any perk points there. They're gained over time and by aiding allies. Okay. W. Jump, of course, is the best. Who doesn't like jump? It's by far the best ability. Okay, so you got the heal, instant heal, increased movement speed, healing ward. So you get about 36% health back from a healing ward. It's kind of expensive. Seems like the swine soup is better. Obviously the heal ward is like AoE though. Invul potion. He's bringing in his neighbour. Can I not just cheat? I actually chopped down the tree as I went over. You can't, apparently. We'll see about that. Does he have vision of me? So you cast this on a pig to heal them. You keep casting it on a grave to decrease the revive time and to heal more effectively. Hey, the kid didn't come after me. Maybe he can't reach me in there. I'm a smart pig. And you cast this on the enemy to decrease their attack rate. I'm the king of pigs, baby. Trying to grab me. Oh, I'll definitely just take the movement speed. Oh, chance to block. See, there's some permanent items that are useful. Okay. See you later.
I've rested enough. Let me help you, son. Let me help you.
Run away. I love that noise when you jump. So does destroying the terrain become a permanent thing? Because you got to be careful if you destroy the terrain too much. You run out of options. They get quite fixated on someone. How does he keep finding all the gold? Oh. No, I just destroyed all the trees. Okay, so that's a target ally. All of these have to be cast on an ally. I guess an instant heal, maybe? So these... Oh, wait. You can only carry one ring, and there's 4 rings, 5 rings. And you can only carry one shield, and there's 3 shields. Probably go for the most expensive shield then. Or the best ring. It's minus 25% ability cooldowns, so pretty quick. Oh, I can't use my, yeah, this is the lasso.
Ah, not there. There.
Not here, pig. There. Team pig died.
That was nasty. Stay away from the net.
Right is not right. Left is right. Right is not right. Left is right.
No. Ah. Alright, stay in the middle.
Red pig
And now I'm gonna have to somehow jump out.
Red pig died.
Rough. I could do overheal when I'm in a situation like that.
Ah, not there. There. Not there. There.
At least I spent my gold, so I don't lose so much on death. Not again.
To the left. Why are you
Nasty
going
bit
to
of
the
business.
left? I said right.
No.
Why are you going to the left?
No, come on! 1 second away. Man, that was rigged, that level. That was rigged. Oh, evasion. That would be actually quite good. Oh, there's gold income. But you'll lose a bit more gold during death, I think. Congrats, terrific. On finishing your final paper at university. Alright. Good luck. Oh, it does rebuild the terrain. Scared me for a second there, Magician Pig. Scarecrow doesn't work on boss levels. I need to find that gold. I get more gold now. Thanks to the golden roast beef. Oh no! No! Where the hell did he literally just come from there? Oh well, that's me dead. You can't get out of this once he does that. He just sort of came out of thin air.
Our allies' hero has fallen.
Down for the count. That's a good attempt. Stay in the corner. If 4 pigs stick to the corner each time, there's a good chance of survival. So you just got to be ready to sprint when he's about to chuck a net at you. Unfortunately, you still got netted. The jump didn't go far enough.
Hero has fallen.
Ooh,
Our allies'
overclocked
hero
hid.
has fallen.
Hidden pig.
Our allies' hero has fallen.
Remy's a bit greedy. He's coming back to the farm. No, doesn't get to escape that time. Oh, gold. Oh, right. This is, well, it's a good reason to have golden roast beef then. Where's the gold? Why are you chucking barrels at me? Oh. Want to buy gold? Can someone heal? Thank you. I'm not getting much gold, making me sad. Ow. Stop it. Got nowhere to go.
Our allies' hero has fallen.
Kiddo got me.
Our allies' hero has fallen. Our allies' hero has fallen.
Look at all that gold.
Our allies' hero has fallen.
Yeah, that was very hard for me to get any gold. It just didn't spawn next to me. I think the only one that did spawn next to me I managed to pick up. We got a recipe item. Movement speed is pretty sweet. Hard to decide whether Invis is better than Invol. Technically both of them make the boss stop attacking you, so I'm thinking Invol might actually be better. That's true. We should have the cinematics on, shouldn't we? I didn't know it affected like the in-between levels as well. But it makes sense that it does. See you later.
Our forces are under attack.
Orange pig
Hero has
died.
fallen.
Orange pig
Hero
died.
has fallen.
See you later, Orange Pig.
Smells like burned bacon. Yummy.
I see.
Yummy.
Oh, sorry. Got a bit grabby. There's gold, boys. Kiddo's managed to get me. It's a pretty fast pig. If I survive another level, I can get the expensive shield. Then again, we do have this steel bulwark. Ultra fast legs. Oh, a secret shop. An invulnerable pig. Was that gold level a bonus level then? It might have been. He seems fixated on me. Last legs. Oh, they look expensive.
Yellow pig
Hero has
died.
fallen.
Yellow pig died.
This guy is destroying his whole place to get these pigs. Take him over. Oh god.
Blue pig died. Blue pig died.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yellow pig died. Yellow pig died. Orange pig
5
died.
seconds.
Fallen.
Orange pig died.
So we need 250 gold basically to get those boots. Hey there, Jax. I think the Necro Pig's pretty awesome, actually. Ow. Don't like where this is going. Oh, come on. Yeah. Let's get the dodge on, boys. He's biting you.
Yummy.
Teal pig died. Yellow pig died. Yellow orange pig died. Orange pig died.
There's a lot of deaths. I would try to res,
Pig died.
but my thing's on cooldown.
Purple pig died.
Oh, it's catching up on me.
Pig died. One pig remaining died. One red
It's getting me, boys. I can't survive this. I don't want to use the invul potion. Ugh. It's hard, man.